Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112. Let's make my black pepper, parsley, maple bacon. 8 half slices of a thick sliced bacon. I'm using this Aldi brand. Maple syrup, black pepper, and parsley. We're using coarse black pepper. Alright, separate your bacon, put it in a bowl. Add your maple syrup, black pepper, and parsley. Give it a mix. Make sure your bacon is coated. Preheat your air fryer to 400. Make sure you see the seasoning on your bacon. You're gonna add the bacon to the pan. Sprinkle additional black pepper and parsley. Whatever's left over in the bowl, add that too. Drizzle right on top. In the air fryer, at 400 for 10 minutes. Flip it, rotate the pan, and back in for 3 minutes. My black pepper, parsley, maple bacon.